more to go. Now, you know, I kind of want to play something more. Yeah, I want to play something more interesting. Let's go. I don't know. I play the bishop's opening here. Why not? Should have played knight f3. Okay, he's gonna go for this one. Let's go here. Take. Out of water too. Not good. I can castle. I can also just play knight g3 maybe right away. No water. Very disappointing. I mean, there might be some tricks with bishop b5 looming here. He doesn't take, so I expect him to take. That explains all talent coming from India recently. I mean, maybe, maybe not. Wondering if I have time to play some bishop b5, bishop a4, but it seems too stupid, so let's just go h3. He wants to. Okay, yeah, he takes. I go here. I think Svein is someone who's much more positional, as I recall. Goes to h5, which I'm actually a little bit surprised by. Am I really worried is what I'm trying to figure out. I think I'm gonna go a4 here. I'm gonna go back to e2 because he's starting to push everything on the king side. So like he's basically saying that he's gonna castle queen side. I don't know. I don't believe him now. Actually, I just don't believe him. I think he's getting too aggressive here. I think this is being way too aggressive. I could have gone bishop a3 too. Actually, I probably should have. I mean, it looks very dangerous. I have to think what I'm going to play, though. Yeah, he's got g5, and this is a little bit scary, I just realized. What to do? I can play queen d3. Bishop a3 is a move that it looks right, though. It looks correct. But this is hard. This is very hard to play. I don't want to go f3. Might have to, though. I think I kind of have to. This sucks. I'm gonna have to go like bishop a3 and try to attack very quickly. Can also take. Actually, I can maybe take now and go queen e2. I don't like castles, actually. Because now I can plug the center with knight g4 at some point. And I also have bishop a3 still. I'm really not convinced by this, I gotta be honest. This doesn't look right to me. d5 at knight c5. I think he's misplaying this quite seriously. There's also rook d1 here. Yeah, d5 knight c5. And then e5 is very, you know, he's actually seriously misplaying this, I think. It's maybe still okay for black with very, very precise play. Without very precise play, I think he's going to be in a lot of trouble very soon. He's also low on time. c5, which is a very ugly move to have to play. This should be very good for me. It's very, I mean, this doesn't look right. I stack the rooks. There's also knight c3, knight d5. Could have gone knight, maybe knight f2 is better, I don't know. Yeah, why did I do this? Why didn't I just go knight f2? What the heck? I'll go here, hit the bishop. Goes bishop g5, which I don't believe in. But how do I actually play this for something more is the problem. So I'll go here. Oh, there's also knight b5, which I probably should have played. Maybe. Not clear, I guess. All my pieces are kind of misplaced here somehow. I don't know what I'm doing. I guess I'll go here. Could go knight g4 here. He plays a5, so he gives me knight g4, which I think I should play at all costs. Okay, how do I do this? Let's go here, maybe? Okay, now I've set it up, so I should be okay. There's an e4, rook d5, at least that's my idea. If takes, I just... Okay, goes e4. Okay, so now I've got to be very careful. Again, I don't know why I did this. Am I holding or am I losing here? I don't know what the heck's going on. What the heck's going on here? Check. 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 Okay, we get the win. Tough game.